Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can change nickname on Instagram application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, go to the chats. So once you go to the chats, I will show you that how you can change your nickname. So suppose I have changed my nickname. As you can see, I changed the nickname of the other person in this chat. So how I'm going to change it again, tap here on the name, then you will find nicknames. You need to tap on that one and tap here. So from here you can change the nickname again. Like I will make it more specific for myself. So now I will tap on done, and as you can see, the nickname has been changed. There is another way, a quick way that you can access to the settings. If you come here and you can see that I have changed a nickname, there is a notification. So if I tap on update from here, you can just erase the nickname and select a new nickname. So that is the easiest way to access to the settings. So guys, this is how you can change nicknames on Instagram. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.